Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10 NCERT. Some application of trigonometry, heights and distance chapter. Topic. It is the in chapter this height and distance. Very important point. Exercise 9.1. Some questions I have explained. Now you will see the 10th question of your NCERT book. Question number 10 is given. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. There is a road, two poles is standing on the same height, either side means like this, 80 meter wide. It is a 80 meter wide road. 80 meter wide road is this. One pole is AB, another pole is CD. Both have equal height. From a point between the road, the angle of elevation of the top of both the poles are 60 degree. 60 degree means if E is a point here, so 60 degree means it is near to this pole. That's why you will get a 60 degree. It is near to this pole. It is 60 degree. Another pole by which it is farther, it will be the 30 degree. One side 30 degree and one side 30 degree. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from both the poles. You want to find out the height of the pole and also you want to find out the distance of this pole point from both. Very simple. What is this? You both are 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. You are getting both are 90 degrees, so both have the same height. It is given. Both have same height. Then what will you do? In triangle, let it is x, then it will be 80 minus x. One is x, then other is 80 minus x. Both the h is common. Common means equal. So by both the triangle you find out h and compare. In triangle ABE, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by AE. So tan 60 root 3 AB is h upon x. So h is equal to root 3x. It is your equation first. In triangle DCE, tan 30 degree is equal to CD upon C. Tan 30 1 by root 3. CD is given h upon 80 minus x. So here you can write cross multiply, then h is equal to 80 minus x upon root 3. It is your second equation. Comparing first and second. By first and second, what will you get? Compare. Both the h are equal. Means this is equal to this. LHS equal means RHS. Root 3x is equal to 80 minus x by root 3 means 3x is equal to 80 minus x, so 4x is equal to 80, then x is equal to 20. Therefore, a point, so by first, the h is equal to root 3x, means 20 root 3. Height of both the pole is 20 root 3. One point is 20 and another is 80 minus 20. What will you get? 80 minus 20. That is 60 meter. So you are getting the three answers. 120 meter, 160 meter. It is a point from A and C. One pole 20 meter, another pole 60 meter, and both the height same, which is the 20 root 3 meter. Question number 11. We'll see the question number 11. In the question number 11, you are seeing question number 11. What is given? A TV tower is vertically stand on the ground. TV tower is here, figure is given, and a point is there directly opposite to the, from a point other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degree. Here a tower is given, TB tower, and it is a river. What is given? Vertically bank of a canal. It is a canal. In one bank it is given and another bank you are standing here, and BC is the tower. From here you are seeing the angle of elevation is 60 degree. It is given. It is a canal. What is? It is given the one canal which is AB. AB is the width of the canal, and further opposite tower, the from the another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower is angle of elevation is the top of the tower is 30 degree. So you are going behind it. You can't go in the water. Back side you are going, and then the angle of elevation is how much? It is given 30 degree. 20 meter. From this side you are going 20 meter CD. It is your 20 meter. So you are seeing it is your 20 meter from the behind. Now you want to find out, the question is given, find this 20 meter 30 degree, find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. You want to find out height of the tower and width of the canal. Height of the tower H, and width, again here is a problem, no any right triangle side is given. So you will again compare in triangle ABC tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to BC upon AB. Tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 is equal to H upon, if canal is X, H upon X, it means H is equal to X root 3. It is your first part, equation 1. In triangle CBD, this triangle, tan 30 is equal to BC upon BD. Tan 30 1 by root 3, BC is H upon X plus 20. Therefore, H is equal to X plus 20 by root 3. It is the second part. By first and second, X root 3 is equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. You are getting 3x is equal to X plus 20. Then you solve 2x is equal to 20. Then what is the x? 10. It is the width of the canal. Width of the canal is 10 meter. And height of the canal is x root 3. That is 10 root 3 meter. It is your height of the canal. You are getting width of the canal 10 meter and height of the canal is 10 root 3 meter. Question 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 we will see from a top of 7 meter high building. Question number 12 we'll see from a top of a 7 meter high building. From a top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is 60 degree. From a top of a 7 meter tall, angle of elevation of 7 meter tall, it is given 7 meter high building. The angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is 60 degree. It is given 60 degree. It is a tower, so this is given 60 degree. And angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Angle of depression of its foot, foot means this, is 45 degree. It is given 45 degree. AB is a building and CD is a tower. Your question is determine the height of the tower. What you want? You want to find out height of the tower. Again here this size x you find out, and by this triangle AB is equal to CE. AB is equal to CE is equal to 7 meter. It is 7 meter. This is H, total height you want to find out. So what is this? It will be H minus 7. Till here you will get H minus 7. So first you apply in this triangle. This angle you find out. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 45 degree, and by alternate interior angles, and in triangle ACB, ABC, ACB is 45 degree here, so tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC, P upon V. So 1 is equal to 7 upon x, therefore x is equal to 7. You are getting this width. Now in triangle, this AED, this is not this triangle, you will not take AED, tan 60 is equal to DE upon A, P upon H. So tan 60 root 3, D is H minus 7 upon A, you have found X. So X root 3 is equal to H minus 7, and X is 7. 7 root 3 is equal to H minus 7. So 7 root 3 plus 7 is equal to H. Therefore H is equal to 7 root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of the cable tower. Thanks for today. Next will be the next lecture.